Hi guys, this is Valeria from Closed Circle, and today I'm going to show you how to conduct your first event on Closed Circle, start it, how to end it, and all the functions that you have within the platform. So we're going to start from the very beginning, and we're going to go over all the necessary things that you need to know before you conduct your first event. So here you can see my event, live coaching session. So basically you hit button join the event first. Then you will have to allow your microphone and also allow your camera. When you enter, you can choose any background, whichever fits your topic or your personality. And basically you just select whatever background fits you well. On the right panel, you can check your camera, microphone, if everything's working. You can also test, and my speaker is working at this point. And yeah, basically you can now hit the button join the event now, and this event will start for yourself and for all the participants. So guys, we've entered the event, and basically before we start, I want to share a few things that you need to know. So basically, people who bought the tickets cannot join the event before you start. And when you start the event, you will always be pinned on top of the window and on top of all the participants. On as I said, on top of the participants, you can see yourself, and under your window you will see all the participants. The participants will always join with their camera and their microphone off, but as an event host, you can always enable their camera and their microphone. So you can see in the middle the window with the chat and Q&A, and basically that's the space where the participants can chat with each other and where they can ask you questions. You can always disable this window and this chat in general. On the right side, you can see yourself on top as a host, and then you will see the participants. In this case, it's my colleague Eva. It's because we are doing the testing call, so she joined just to show you guys how it looks from the perspective of the participant. So let's try all the functional that the platform offers. So basically, let's try to enable the microphone for Eva. And it's asking you enable video and mic for Eva. So enable permissions. And now Eva can enable her microphone and video. And here she is. So hi, Eva. Here you can also see that we have ban chat, ban user, remove from event, one user, and disable video and microphone. So let's try to first disable video and microphone. So you can see that Eva can no longer use it. And let's enable it again. And now she'll be able to turn it on again.
I'm here again.
There's also an option to warn user. We use this button when the person is conducting some inappropriate behavior, or the person is being disrespectful, annoying, or whatever. You feel that it's not right. You can warn the user. And you can even put a reason here, for example, inappropriate speech. And you can send a warning. And now I will ask Eva to tell what do you see on the screen.
So it says behavior warning, moderator flag your behavior. If you continue, you may be removed or permanently banned from this creator's events. And you have to click understand.
Yeah. So Eva will click understand. Also, there is a possibility to remove the user from the event. Will not remove Eva as of now. I will do it at the end so you can see how it looks like. But when you remove the user, they can buy the tickets for your future events. If you ban the user, it means that they no longer can buy the tickets for your particular event. So beware that these are two different things. There's also a possibility to ban chat. Let's try to ban chat. So it means that this will prevent Eva from sending messages in the chat. So before I ban you, can you send some message to the chat?
Mm-hmm.
Hi. And now I will ban Eva from the chat and try to send something.
Uh-huh. You cannot. It says you're banned from the chat and you don't have the opportunity to write anything.
Mm-hmm. So yeah, now we will unban Eva and she will be able to write something again.
Mm-hmm.
Let's also go over the buttons that we see below on the screen. So these three dots enable the device settings. So here you can select your camera and microphone settings. Here you can change the background filters in case you want to change it during the event, and also layout of and views. So you can see yourself next to the participants, focus on creators, so you will see only yourself and you will not see cameras of participants, or you will see yourself on top and other participants on the bottom. I can see Eva is changing the also the background filters. Here we have the emojis, which you can use, and they will appear on the right corner of your screen. And the emojis can be used by the participants as well. Here you can turn off your microphone, you can turn off your camera, of course, and basically this is about the layout. About the community guidelines and moderation. So, basically, Closed Circle is a safe for work platform where you connect with audience completely on your terms, and we, as a platform, ensure a safe space and a respectful environment for all the participants. So, all participant chat messages are monitored, and it's monitored by AI, and we ensure respectful communication. So any inappropriate messages will trigger a bounce back. And basically, the participant will get a warning. Eva, could you try to write something inappropriate in the chat so you can record it from your side, how it looks like?
Of course. So, for example, I'm trying to write fuck,
Mm-hmm.
and I got a message that says we couldn't send that message. That message, fuck, includes language that isn't allowed. Please edit to continue. So you have the opportunity to delete the message or to edit the message.
Perfect. Perfect. Yeah. So users who violate these rules, they can be removed, as I said, kicked or banned by the event creator or the moderators. So thank you guys. I hope it was helpful. And yeah, have a wonderful event on Cool Circle.
Calling all creators, calling all of y'all. Welcome to Closer.